iPhone 12 launch event confirmed, and Apple is hosting it next week. The iPhone 12 is finally upon us, and Apple has set a date to reveal its new iPhones. October 13 is now confirmed as the date when Apple will be revealing new devices to the public, and we can't imagine the new phones won't be among them. It's a virtual launch that's down to the COVID-19 pandemic and is set to start at 10 a.m. Pacific Time, 1 p.m. Eastern Time or 6 p.m. British Summer Time. That's 4 a.m. in Australia on October 14th. Apple has yet to confirm what we'll be seeing at this launch event, but the company's new phones have been so heavily rumored we're almost certain this will be the launch where the iPhone 12 series is introduced. And we're scheduled Apple event on October 13th, almost certainly revealing the iPhone 12 with high speed like 5G. The tagline on the poster for the event is high speed, suggesting that Apple will be putting a focus on its power that is behind the new series of devices or for faster download speeds, with 5G rumors suggest there will be 4 phones in the new iPhone lineup, including the iPhone 12 mini, iPhone 12, iPhone 12 Pro and iPhone 12 Pro Max, with a variety of different specs and prices. There's every chance we'll be seeing new devices from other categories too, with rumors of the new AirPods Studio headphones landing, and perhaps even the introduction of the long-rumored Apple AirTags. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more videos.